Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. If you got a second-hand iPhone 13 or just get it from your friend or family, you may want to erase all data to use it. So what to do if forgot the passcode or Apple ID password? Keep watching to get 3 tips. Tip 1. Factory reset iPhone 13 with Apple ID. Go to iCloud.com. Sign in to your Apple account. Click Find My. Select the iPhone 13 and click to erase it. Tip 2. Factory reset iPhone 13 with iTunes or Finder. Put iPhone 13 into recovery mode. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Connect iPhone to PC or Mac via USB cable. Run iTunes or Finder and click Restore. But please note, you need to turn off Find My to restore your iPhone 13 with iTunes. Tip 3. Factory reset iPhone 13 if forgot passcode. Run any unlock on PC or Mac and connect iPhone 13 via USB cable. Select Unlock Screen Passcode feature and click Start. Click to download firmware. Then, click Unlock to remove screen passcode from your iPhone. Wait for a while and done. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel.